global recession looming, and at that time, edtech sectors are laying off. Why do you think exam race and doorstep tutor are a good opportunity for you? Few important reasons to cite. One is if you are a student and net qualified preparing for JRF and other competitive examination, you not only get our full support but you also get access to our resources, and that would help you in your preparation. The second important thing is we are sensitive to life events, sudden life changes, and also we are sensitive to maternity obligations. The next important benefit is, as other companies, you would get the benefit of recommendations, work experience, but if you are applying to universities, you do have an opportunity to get personalized recommendations, and if you are applying abroad, definitely your LOR could be helped with. Most of the instructors who are net qualified get full support with their JRF preparation and with their other commitments. Another important benefit is exclusive work from home opportunity with full flexibility and no harsh time deadlines, which allow flexibility for you to work while you are studying and pursuing your higher studies as well.